Today, I will show you how to create an invisible folder in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This folder will have no visible name and an invisible icon, so it will blend into your desktop. Let's begin. First, create a new folder on your desktop. Next, open Character Map by searching it in the Start menu. Scroll and look for an invisible or blank character. Select it. Click Select, then click Copy and close Character Map. Now go back to your folder and right-click it. Choose Rename, then right-click again and paste the invisible character. Press Enter. Now the folder name is invisible. Next, right-click the folder and open Properties. Go to the Customize tab. Click Change Icon. Download the invisible icon file from the link in the description. Click Browse. Then locate and open the downloaded icon file. Select the invisible icon, then click OK. Click Apply, then OK again. And now your folder is completely invisible. You can place it anywhere on your desktop. It will still be there, but it won't be visible. And that's it. Your folder is now completely invisible. If you enjoyed this trick, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hidden Windows tips. See you in the next video.